Um, I don't know how to do this. Ate Grace, okay. I don't know how to do this. Let's get started. I know this lady. Hi. If I want to have a membership, I have to be in the other side,
No,
right?
you can do it here.
Can you help me?
Yes. Okay. So
How that works?
this one is $40 a month, 36, 30, and 20. This 36 one is the one I would do. It's got the hot wax, everything on it, but this one has the ceramic. But it still has the hot wax, the seal coat protectant, tire shine, the underbody, the triple
So
foam.
that's 36.
Yep, 36
Okay.
a month. And
How about this one right here? You said
20.
basic 20. What is
20,
it?
30. This one is just like a wash. Basic.
That's it, just wash, no-
dry, and wheel clean. Yeah.
With soap though, right?
Yeah.
that's
Yeah, just cold water. No,
okay,
no.
okay. So the 36, that's the middle kind of thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
I
that-
would either do the 30 or the 36.
So the 30, what is it again?
The 30, that has a wheel brightener, not in the tire shine, but it has a wheel brightener, seal coat protectant, underbody, does the top and the bottom.
Underneath?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll have that one.
30?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I get a phone number?
614-377-4488.
4488.
I said, oh no, I would have over there. So this is gonna be charged monthly.
Yes, it should be. Yep. So the 10th, it should be like around the 10th of April next month. What's
So-
your zip code?
43213.
Gotcha. All right, and then I'll get you a sticker here.
So if I want to cancel how do I do that?
You can do it online, or you can come inside and do
Oh,
it
it's-
too.
okay.
Yeah. My leg in your way.
Yeah, it was about to get real awkward in about
I
3
know.
seconds.
I could feel you getting that. There's your card for you, ma'am, and I'll get a
Thank
sticker
you.
on. You're welcome. All right, so 4986. Is like up here okay?
Is it okay? Oh, I don't know how that read. I mean, where you usually put it?
I'll put it right here.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, here you
Okay.
are all set.
Thank
You have a
you.
good one.
You
Thank
too. Thanks. Okay, Ate Grace. $20. $20, Ate Grace. Whew. Ate Grace, $20. So I guess it's really worth it because I went in there like 14 every week. It's like $10 because mine is more of like bigger. They don't mind. They don't call it as a little car. Mine is like SUV, a little sports utility, a smaller one. So I don't know if I can go through. Auntie Grace. Look at them action. Look at them action.